Ito yung mga trip kong relo. Hindi nyo alam kung ano, di ba?
Second quarter ng 1969. So that's very, very, very critical for this watch.
Actually, sir, 1.2.
Ma'am naman, saan ko naman kukunin yung 1.2 aray ko? Hindi matapos yung meeting, oh. Hindi ka, samahan nyo ako, may kukunin ako. Ito yung mga trip kong relo. O, antayan, hindi nyo alam kung ano, di ba? Antayin nyo. May pito na ako, pare. Alam mo na to. Another watch, another day. Welcome. How are you, ma'am? Kamusta? Saan pa kayo galing?
Mandaluyong.
Mandaluyong lang. Ganda naman ng Rolex ni madam. So you have here a nice Rolex. This is a GMT 1675. Do you have any papers with it? Wala.
Wala, sir.
Usually kasi pag mga vintages na ganito, wala na, no? Do you have a price in mind?
Actually, sir, 1.2.
Ma'am naman, saan ko naman kukunin yung 1.2 aray ko? Now, I have to check pa if everything is period correct. So that's very, very, very critical for this watch. First evaluation ko, it looks nice, no? It has the Jubilee. Tama naman yung Jubilee niya kasi it's folded. The clasp is okay. Tugma naman. The patina is okay din. Medyo even naman siya. But what is your best price?
Actually, 1.2 ko. Before, in-offer ko na yun
Pero
sa'yo, sir,
saan ko yung-
1.5.
Ba't saan mo
Kasi
nakita yung
mahal
1.2?
din
Malayo man. I wouldn't, even if it's authentic, everything, period correct, I wouldn't touch it at that price. Sobrang, kahit ako ma'am, di ko mabenta ng ganun eh. Binibenta ko nga lang yung akin, meron akong 16750 na binibenta ko for 800, meron akong 1675 na binibenta ko ng 840, pero wala akong Pepsi na umabot na more than that. Except dun sa pinakaunang Pepsi, which is the Bakelite, na yun talaga mga 3 to 4 ml. Well, this one, what we have here lang is yung sa clasp niya. So it's the big round clasp. So usually this is 1970 and before. So reference has to be 1675. Okay. So the serial is at 1.4 million. 1966 to 1967 is the production date. Now, okay naman siya dito sa crown. However, yung crown dito, it says it's produced second quarter ng 1969. Kasi 1971 to 1974 is wala ng clasp code. Bumalik yung clasp code, ma'am, 1975, 1976 na eh. So this is something I have also. The difference. However, this is not the long E. Kung makikita mo kasi pare, yung long E na sinasabi ko, lahat yung 3 stripes ng E is same ng level. Pero dito hindi. If it's a long E, mas maano sana eh, mas valuable. I mean, ang pinaka nakikita kong value that you hold here is because, ito pati ito folded eh, but this is 1973. Kaya kung makikita mo, iba na yung clasp niya. But this one naman, this is 1969. That's why yung clasp niya is ganito. However, the case of this watch has made 1966, 1967, okay pa rin yun. That's generally accepted, pero kung same sila ng year sana ng production, that's even better. My offer here will be around, to be honest with you, I would take this for 650.
Hindi ata, keep na lang.
Yeah, that's the case then. Kasi hindi siya long E. However, it's period correct, yes.
Kano lang?
650 ako. Yeah. Sorry. Kasi ito nga yung akin. Actually, ito ma'am, mas valuable pa. Kasi kung makikita mo yung patina, tapos yung Pepsi niya, nag-raspberry na siya, parang gano'n. Pag binaklas mo pa to, yung behind the bezel is red. Actually, may vlog ako nito. Yung likod nito, pag binaklas to, red. Red back ang tawag nila dun sa bezel na yan. So, it is period correct to the 1972-73 na GMT reference 1675. So, around 600 plus lang. Hindi ako umabot ng 700. Let me know if you really need the money, or if not, can try sa end user, pero walang ganun mami. Let me know na lang if you...
Parang malungkot ka, parang hype ba?
Lungkot ko, hindi ko nakuha. Wala, kick rocks na lang. Marami pa darating dyan.
Hindi laging
Antayin nyo lang. Thank you, ma'am. Ingat po.